on? It's your boy Dave, back with another video. And today, got a little surprise for you. Well, not about to be a surprise, but last video I actually talked about how I was in the dump truck, things you can do, make money, different ways, stuff like that. And I thought it would be a better thing to go ahead and put my dump truck on the channel, right? So this is my boy Big Wiggy. Yeah, named after my dad, actually. You know, he's an old school L9000, 96, but he clean though. He real clean, you know. So it's actually been a minute since I actually started him up. Actually a couple months. It's been a little minute. And I'm actually in my Lincoln today, so I didn't bring the tools and stuff in the van, but I know when I disconnected the batteries and everything, I left the tools that I used, yep, right here. So it's been a minute. The dump trucks take 3 batteries. Dump trucks take 3. I still got 1 sitting in here. So I got 2 over here back in the tractor earlier this summer. Actually got the tractor fired up, got it running. It actually runs pretty doggone good, but last time I was out here, batteries didn't really have enough juice. So we're gonna take the batteries out of here, put them in the dump truck, see if we can jump that thing off and get it running, and see, might take it around the corner if we got enough time. But yeah, get that thing crunked up, jumped off, let it warm up for a minute, check the oil, check the coolant, make sure everything's good in it, and then we'll see how this old Cummins sound, man. So stay tuned, stay tuned. Alright, so we gave it a little time. Hopefully this little thing can actually charge this big guy. But be a push start. Woo! Boy! And we in here. We in here. 8 speed. In here. Sound good. Going clean right now, but we can get some black smoke once we get on that gas. Thank you for watching today's videos. Go ahead and click the like, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos. You know, and it's probably the next is gonna be us taking a ride out in Big Wiggy. You know, we got him started today. We're gonna let him warm up. We're gonna let him catch his breath a little bit, and you know, we'll probably take a ride in him next time. But right now it's Friday. I gotta go pick up the kids. We're gonna have a good little weekend, and we're gonna have a good little time. All right, till the next time, y'all be safe. Love y'all.